Alright, so we use a HEPA 2500 down the basement. That's the portable vacuum we use. What we use for the air is the Honda 390. Gets up to about 180 pounds of air pressure. That goes around each vent, and there's a couple different attachments we use. We'll run a rotating brush down that connects to a drill. So that'll go through, and once it spins on the drill, it'll kind of scrape the ductwork. After that, we hook this into the air line. It's almost like a broom with rubber bristles, and once the 180 pounds of air pressure connects to it, it goes down the ductwork, kind of smacks all the dirt and dust off, gets it airborne, and once it's airborne, there's a suction on the line. It's pulling back to the vac. You can either go one or two ways. We have air rod, reverse ball, has holes in the back, so it pulls the air back to where the vac's located. Or if we need to push it forward, we have a forward air ball with the air holes on the front. It'll push it straight back to where we're hooked up. So before we start, we make the hole, about 11-inch circular hole that we cut for the vacuum itself. Where the main components of the heater are, they're blocked off from the cleaning process. Use what's called a piece of thermopan. We block that off in the unit itself. That way the vacuum is pulling only on the ductwork, and everything drops down into the thermopan and back out into the vac hole. Turn the vacuum on. This way any dirt and dust that's created and brought down to the vac is blocked off from the unit itself, and it's just going right into the vacuum. From here, these air rods they have a forward ball. It's a spinning, rotating ball with the air holes coming out the front. Kind of pushes everything down towards the ductwork downstairs, down the basement where we're at. So we use the forward ball on the rod to push it further down the line, back to the basement. National Air Duct Cleaning Association recommends every 3 to 5 years having the ducts cleaned. We take before and after pics at every job. 3 to 5 years is what they recommend. Closer to 3 if you have pets. Oliver also does dryer vent cleaning. That's recommended yearly. We do a pressure test on the dryer line before we clean it. It's test the pressure and the temperature of the dryer coming out. So they recommend every year having the dryer cleaned, and Oliver also does that, and we do relining of the dryer line if it needs it.